Do we got this? Going to do number 3 all the way. Yes. Well, good morning or good day and welcome. I don't actually know how this video is going to work, but anyway, we've had a big night's sleep. I think I slept for like 10 hours or so, which is huge for me, going to bed so early. And anyway, bike's looking all dirty over here. Camp is all sort of starting to get packed up and whatever, and just making some breakfast. So let's check out camp. And we got blue skies. I don't think there's a single cloud in the sky right now. Oh, I lied. There's a few clouds over there, but it is a cracking day. Absolutely beautiful here. So yeah, bike's all dirty. I don't like leaving it dirty like this, but it is what it is. Caloundra Motorcycle Centre, thank you so much for the tyres yesterday. It made such a massive difference. I would have struggled yesterday. But anyway, I started to pack up a little bit and just made a coffee and just chilling out, making breakfast. Got some bacon and eggs going, delicious. And nothing's really dried at the moment. It's all just kind of like hot and wet. So hopefully that dries out a little bit before today's ride. But the plan is this morning, even though the body is absolutely hurting, I'm going to back it up with the ride at Takura. It's a beautiful day. I'll be able to go for a swim afterwards at Harvey Bay, and we'll set up camp there somewhere and then just see what happens. The day after, so tomorrow, is apparently like thunder showers. I don't even know what that means, but it's not looking good. So weather-wise, so I think we'll have that as a rest day. So we'll ride today, smash it out, and yeah, just have an awesome day. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to these bacon and eggs. You guys should smell what it smells like right now. Anyway, coffee time, bacon and eggs, and we'll pack up and get moving. Rightio, we are all packed. Everything is packed and loaded. I don't know what you can see and what you can't, but I'm just sitting in the car now because I'm charging everything up, and I've got the aircon on. It's actually getting a bit warm. 9 o'clock. I was kind of hoping I'd be there by 9, ready to ride, but that's okay. It's all good. No rush at all. So yeah, we're going to head off to the Takura Trail now, get set up, probably put out the solar panel, fuel up the bike. We've got a few little maintenance thingies to do on the bike, the bark busters, a little bit tweaked from yesterday's ride, and we'll just take a quick little look at the front brake as well, and we're going to fuel up the bike. So anyway, we'll do all that when we get there. It's about an hour's drive from here, so let's just kick on and have a nice little ride this morning. Rightio, well, we made it here, and nice little drive across. We've got the solar panel set up in there. Probably can't see it, but we're all geared up and ready to ride. I was just chatting to a bloke then, and he said you can link up all 3 parts of the trail in 50 minutes, he says. I don't think that's... Anyway, we're just going to jump on the bike now, and I'm very sore. I'm really sore, just gearing up. Every muscle is in a bit of pain, so just going to be taking it easy, just having a fun ride. I've got all day to do it, so there's no rush. But that 50 minutes is, yeah, don't know where that came from. Whatever. Let's just have some fun and ride, eh? Let's do that. So because I'm riding solo, I do have my EPIRB as well, personal EPIRB. I don't know if it's sort of worth anything and taking it along anyway, because 1, it's registered to my jet ski, and 2, it's, you know, I don't know, this is for like sending the choppers sort of thing. If the bike just breaks down, you want to be able to send a message, or that's where that Garmin InReach comes in. Anyway, now I don't know if it's 1-way or 2-way or whatever. I should be going a certain direction. We'll go and have a look. all of the trails are saying that it's like two-way. You can go two-way. Let's go. Section 1. Oh, slowly warm up. Oh, everything is so sore. The hands. It is and what it is and whatever. Take me a little while to warm up today, I know that for sure, and that's okay. That's fine. Just have fun. Look at this. Have fun, man. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, double logs. Oh, look at that birdie. Come on, man, you're supposed to be a big tough dirt bike rider and you're sitting here appreciating the birds. Oh, check out this. Go, you 200. Lugging machine. This just blows my mind that this is a government-run dirt bike trail. Oh, I love this so much. Oh! Oh no. That's no good. Oh, D40 as well. Should get some door handles. This is a lookout section, but we're just going to keep going. I want to keep flowing, keep moving. Rightio. There's part 1 done. Okay. We'll move on to part 2. We're going to go that way. I'm going to do it sort of backwards. Yeah. Oh, how's the switchbacks? Yoo-hoo. Well, it's being signed this way as well, so I'm assuming we can go this way as well, in this direction. Oh, how's this gravel patch here? Just kicking me everywhere. Look at this weird little combo there. Committed to that one. Oh, bar basher. Oh, I felt it tap the bars. Just hit the bark buster. It'd be cool to come out with someone that was local and show me all around and all the rest of it, but today I just want to make sure I do all 3 parts of the loop. Ew, look at this. Oh. I'm up for new goggles. These ones, the foam is all destroyed and starting to really press on my nose. Love the Goggle Man goggle inserts though. Thank you for your support over the years. It's been amazing. The guy asked me about them yesterday and I'm like, yep, do it. That's so worth it. They are absolutely amazing. Rightio, I've decided that I'm being worry Joe, not have fun and ride dirt bikes Joe. I'm so worried about what trail I'm on and missing to do it all and yada yada yada. How about, whew, that was fun. How about we just ride? I'm on some sort of trail right now. Just enjoy it. Make our way somewhere eventually, you know. Ooh. No, we got this, don't we? What's on the other side? Yeah, we got this. Do we got this? Yeah, we got this. Now teeter over please. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright. Hey look, we made it somewhere. When we come back from 3, we'll do that bit, I guess. Because we didn't do that. Oh, I don't know. Who knows? Then when we get back to that lost part, we'll do the other bit that way. What I think has happened, ladies and gentlemen, what I think has happened is we've come here and we've done something like come across here, and then now we're here. What we haven't done is all of this bit back here, but I don't know, maybe we have, maybe we haven't. Anyway, we're going to do number 3 all the way. Phew. Tighter. I don't think too many people end up doing trail number 3. Oh yeah. She's a little overgrown. Let's normalise standing up, Joe. Let's make it our natural riding position, please. That'd be nice. Whoa, ran out of lock. Oh yeah. Sheesh, sheesh, sheesh. Watch your head. Don't know why I'm avoiding mud. My bike is covered in mud already. That's a bit silly. Yoo-hoo. I would like to say that I've stood up for the majority of this ride once I get back to the car. I definitely have already. It's right, so much better when you're standing. So much better. Whoa! That's cool, man. Super cool. Ew, look at this. Beautiful. Just sat into it like a trials rider. Sort of squatted my body into it. That's it, stayed off the clutch. Sat into the bike and don't back off. This is so cool, man. This is so cool. Alright, where are we going to hit it? There, right there. Woo! That was like a punch one. I sort of tried to punch the wheel into the front of the log there. But having said that, I mean, I just rode it and did what I naturally did, sort of thing. Didn't really think about it too much. I'm not that good a rider yet. Oh, drop off, drop off, drop off, drop off. That's funny. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. I'm in first, that's bad. That was cool. Look at this. Go boy. Woo! That was cool. Can you believe this is a government or council run trail bike park? How cool is this? How cool is this? Amazing. No, we're not going
want to do any chicken tracks. No hard lines, come on. It'd be better if you were standing. I keep saying I'm going to have a break, but I'm not having a break yet. Just ride for a little bit. Shush it and ride, Joe. So last time we came up there, so this time we're going to go through this way. We've definitely done it wrong and weird, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. Oh, cool climb. Yeah, awesome. Wow, that was interesting. It's stupid, in the back of my mind I've got old mate saying, oh yeah, I linked it up in 50 minutes. Like I don't want to stop, I just want to keep going. Yep, do that. Oh, that took commitment. One of those diagonal logs, so kicked the butt sideways. We came over, that was fun. Ooh. Nice. Oh, come on. You're a dingus. Why'd you hesitate, bro? Why did you hesitate? Just ridden straight over that. This grass tree section is so cool looking, isn't it? Beautiful. Ooh, a little weird off-camberness. Neato. My trials did that one. Do you guys know what I'm talking about when I say I sit into the bike? I wonder if I can just throw in a little clip of a trials rider as they're going up a bit of a hill or something. Obviously I'll look like an absolute Gumby, but they sort of squat down into the bike with their bums not on the seat. Oh, how's this bit? Ew. This is so cool. Actually, this is a spot the last time I rode, I lost some GoPro batteries. Here's me double checking the pouch. Just done up here now. Yeah, boy. That was sick. That hurt. That hurt. Ah, stupid tree. Blame the tree, Joe. Yeah, not the rider. Not the guy that ran into the tree. There you go. Just like a jump. Forget about it being logs or a log, it's just a little pop, a little jump, you know. Oh. That one was a little bit bigger than a jump. Very sharp face jump, that one. Right, section 2 complete. Time to finish this puppy up. puppy? I don't know, that was weird, Joe. Don't be weird, man. Time to finish this trail off. Trail number 1. Whew. As I stop just here, just doing a quick GoPro battery change, I heard some other bikes. That's exciting, isn't it? Oh, how's this little spot, eh? In the jungle. Oh, that was like, clenched my teeth through that. I had no idea if there was going to be enough room for the bars through that one. Oh, really, Joe? Look at that. You know what? No. We're going back. We are going back. Let's pop it off the top of it. Whoa! I did not give it enough gas off the top of it. She went down the front of it. User error, you know. Let's go up this way. How amazing is this machine? Such a lugger. Everyone yesterday in that big group ride is like, is that a 200? Really? Man, that thing can lug, huh? Yep. Do you love it? Yep. And then a couple of times in those hill climbs where I was able to really feed it, they were just like, whoa, awesome. Rightio, thank you guys so much for hanging out on the ride part of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Do the subscribe, the notifications, all the other social media thingies, and we'll see you, I don't know, I guess a little bit later today, if you're hanging around for the rest of the video, because I've got no idea what's going to happen yet. Camping, riding, swimming, who knows. Whew. Takura Trail, thank you. Stop that relive. Actually, while we got the video still rolling, let's check it out right now. A few little breaks, a few times getting lost. Not that it's a race, but let's just see how long we've been going for. Alright, an hour and a half and 22 Ks or so. Cool. Alrighty, well, we're all packed up. I've just been chilling out here for a fair while, actually, just in the car park. Anyway, just had some lunch and just chilled. And what an awesome trail that was. About an hour and a half or so, and yeah, really, really fun. I am so sore now that the body has sort of started to stiffen up, but so well worth it. I'm glad I did ride today. I've been trying to call a bunch of places that I wanted to stay at, and no one's answering, so I don't really know what to do. And it's a bit dodgy, but I found one place and they said, oh, we're not here at the moment, so we can't check you in, but I can do it tomorrow night. So I'm thinking maybe I should just go there and set up and then see them in the morning and pay for it. I don't know, it's a bit sketchy though. I don't know, I think I'm just going to head down to the beach and go for a swim and hang out there for a while. It's pretty close to the beach here, so may as well. Then decide what we're going to do for camping. Well, I've been for my swim, had a freshwater shower, and now I'm just chilling out here at the different spot at the beach. It's beautiful. There's the Urangan Pier, just sitting on these foreshore steps. Just enjoying a beautiful afternoon. Sort of worked out what I'm going to do for camp now, so yeah, there's no need to rush when you've got a place like this. I don't want to sit in a park when I can be sitting here. Anyway, we'll see you at camp, I guess. So this is where we have ended up for the night, in a little random caravan park. Beach is just over there. I say beach, but it's the marina and everything, but there's showers and toilets. An old mate on the phone just said, yeah, just go set up down the back and I'll see you in the morning. And it's too late now. So yeah, I got a little patch of grass to put the tent up, and that's all I need for tonight. It's going to cost me a pretty penny, but that's right. I'll have a big old shower and use the facilities and everything. Make sure I get my money's worth. Anyway, I'm going to chill out and yeah, set up camp. I was telling Mr. Reese last night where I'm riding today, and I said it's like the Jarella, but for, you know, Harvey Bay area, but it's not. Like, I was trying to describe that it's a council-run dirt bike trail, you know, for registered bikes. But he's probably got in his head that it's this disgusting Jarella style riding, which I know that he doesn't like, but it's not. Look at this. We should definitely come up and ride this with Mr. Reese. I think he'd love it. So tight and technical. Okay, this is something that I definitely don't like doing, but I took some ibuprofen. Don't like taking tablets. I like to be all natural sort of guy. But then you look at what I eat. Anyway, I try not to take any medication as best I can. But I took some ibuprofen just before setting off here. See if that helps to deal with the headaches at all. Let's say we're going to be riding for a couple of hours, and it is pretty technical riding. So we'll see. See if it helps. I don't know how these videos are going to go, but I just want to make sure that I capture all of the fun stuff. You know, if you guys don't like it, you get a little bit bored, skip ahead or skip the video. It doesn't bother me. Oh, look at this. Yee. I just want to make sure that I'm doing it justice for me, because I know this is egocentrical or whatever you want to call it, self-centered, but I love going back and watching my own videos. It's something I do, you know, going back and watching cool old tracks and stuff that I've done before, and you're just like, whoa, that was neat. So this is a video log for me somewhat. Oh, just having some random thoughts here about thanking my sponsors and people that support me and all the rest of it. So I do appreciate it so much. All of the support, the Buy Me a Beer supporters, the companies and whatever that support me along the way, Tugger Straps and Final Web Filters, Super Cheap, 500 Motorcycles, Beta Australia, all those people. There's so many that I can't remember all of them to list, but there's just so many companies that help out. You know, one person that I haven't really thanked, my main sponsor, it's me. What about me? Doing all this work to do these videos and being able to afford the bike and doing all the riding and whatever. I'd like to thank me. Got a show a bit of self-love here and there, don't we? Awesome. Anyway, that was just a random thought. Silly. But I do appreciate the supporters so much. Companies and Buy Me a Beer, and just you guys, the viewers, the watchers, that makes a huge difference as well. Alright, let's stand up and keep riding properly.